we are doing some tie rod ends on a 2015 Dodge Charger. And first off, we gotta inspect the goods. This is our tie rod end that we're gonna be replacing. How do you know if your tie rod end needs replacing? Usually, if it's the outer tire rod, this part of your tire is gonna be bald, and the rest of it is gonna have tread. Or when you get it up, you see that? It's not supposed to be doing that. So guess what? We're gonna have to go ahead and replace that. When you drive and you hear knocking and stuff, we don't want that. Let's go ahead and take off all of your bolts. Lift this all the way up. Cool. And then yeah, I know I just turned this wheel like that. It's cool. All right. We don't need that anymore right now. Next, you have your 316. I got a long socket, so we're gonna go ahead over here, right here. This is our culprit. Slide on by. So I ain't gonna lie, I don't have everything with me because this was a last minute thing, but we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna basically take my jack, little what's the name, and I'm gonna break this sucker free. Look at that, just like so. That's gonna make it easier for y'all, so you ain't over there hurting, beating up your hands trying to get this out. Let's not make this harder than what it has to be. Also, another thing to do is go ahead and take this this nut right here, and you want to loosen it in the midst of, so you don't have to loosen it while it's off. Pause. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this free up a little bit. I got vice grips. It's the best I got for right now. So let's see. Be the other way, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Yep, there you go. So I want to take this back just a little. Yep, see that? All right, now we free. Let's go ahead and take this puppy up off of here. Yeah, I can use this, but I want to go through a hard way with you guys, because you guys might not have this impact. It's real simple. Alright, so it should be easy to unloosen it with your hand. Good enough. No, you don't want to take it all the way off, but if you had to, so be it. So you guys might not have this fork, or this fork might not work for you. The only thing you have to do is go ahead and put it in there, and it should break free. But just in case it don't, go ahead. And go ahead and hit it from the top. Good whack on it. Boom. One hit. Watch out. Then you go ahead and take that puppy up out of there. Alright, so this part right here is very important. Why? You need to count how many revolutions you're gonna take this off. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, oh my, 19, 20, 21. All right, 21. Watch out. So, well, that's gonna be like that for now. I don't think we need inner tire rod ends. That's a whole nother video if we did. But don't worry about that right now. We found our culprit with the outer. So now, this is your new tire rod ends compared to your old. Let's take a look. You see that? Y'all see how much play that is? That's where all your knocking was coming from. This is the way it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to move. So, we got 21. Sorry, y'all. We have 21 revolutions we need to go ahead and tie back on there. We got 1. Oh, crap. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now that we have that back up in there, we're gonna put this puppy right through that hole. It should go in just like so. Get your bolt. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this back down. Simple. Go ahead and I'm gonna just do it by hand with you guys. Cause like I said, maybe you guys don't have good tools just to show you that you can do it. And it's easy to achieve it. I'm gonna tighten that puppy back down until it gets rough. Like so. And when it gets rough like that, guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna take your nice little homemade wrench or breaker bar. You're gonna tighten it a couple of times. Make sure it's nice and snug. Alright. Usually you're gonna torque those, but unfortunately right now we are going to use what we got, and this seems pretty good to me. Now, last up, don't forget it. Tighten up your bolt back here. And then once that's tightened up, you're all set. So that's it for you guys. Just tie it back on. You're all good. Easy peasy.